So this was my birthday makeup that I did, and we are just going to jump right into the video. So first I'm going to start off by putting some yellow on the outer part of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go over it with the same brush with some orange.
Shawty wanna take a few shots on the birthday. She just wants a good dick on her birthday. That nigga approaching me when I'm in the first place. I'ma get the pussy on the first date. Got plenty racks, I'ma throw it on your birthday. Vroom vroom smash on the first place. Shawty wanna take a few shots on her birthday. She just wanna get hot for her birthday. Down Julio, what you want? It's your Thursday. I'ma get you lit on your birthday. It don't really matter, it's a Monday or Thursday. You already know how the game play. She don't want a rookie, better turn up the gameplay. Nigga may play like game day. Shawty wanna do it, I'ma do it in the worst way. I'ma get you lit on your birthday. Say it's a hot girl summer. I'ma take your little ass summer. Yeah. Shawty give me a hit in the Hummer. Baby, I ain't never been a runner. Yeah. I been getting money all summer. Touchdown, nigga, no fumbles. Yeah. Dunk on a nigga like Shump. Nigga, that's your hoe, I don't want her. Bitch, take a shot. Don't try to play like you drunk when I'm not. Look at my range, it flooded with bloods. Look at my pocket, it flooded with nuts. Shawty got wet, might flood out the spot. Say that you rich, I can tell that you not. Can't you the goat, yes, I hear that a lot. These Gucci sandals, bitch, these ain't no Crocs. Shawty wanna take a few shots on her birthday. She just wants some good dick on her birthday. That nigga approaching me when I'm in the first place. I'ma get the pussy on the first date. Got plenty racks, I'ma throw it on your birthday. Vroom vroom smash on the first place. Shawty wanna take a few shots on her birthday. She just wanna get hot for her birthday. Down Julio, what you want? It's your Thursday. I'ma get you lit on your birthday. It don't really matter, it's a Monday or Thursday. You already know how the game play. She don't want a rookie, better turn up the gameplay. Nigga may play like game day. Shawty wanna do it, I'ma do it in the worst way. I'ma get you lit on your birthday.
So now I'm going to add some brown to my eyes, more like in the crease of my eyelid. Now I'm going to jump right into my cut crease, and it's best to start off your cut crease by outlining it first and then slowly filling it in. So now I'm going to take those same three colors, yellow, orange, and brown, and I'm going to add them to the outer edge of my eyelid. Now I am adding my pigment called Lush from my very own makeup line to the rest of my cut crease to make my eyes really pop.
She don't want a rookie, better turn up the gameplay. Nigga may play like game day. Shawty wanna do it, I'ma do it in the worst way. I'ma get you lit on your birthday.
Last but not least, I am adding my chunky glitter, also from my makeup line, and this one is called Treasure.
Hey man, say man, fuck going on. It's your boy Bobby Critical on the check-in. Hey, shout out my nigga K-Way, DJ Genius, True Story G, and my nigga Lil Bird. Yeah, we some rare ones. Can't get no realer than this shit.
You right? Tell me that you want it, that you need it, how bad you really want it. What? How bad you really want it.
Baby boy, live your best life, you be tripping on me. Acting like I give a fuck where your dick be. I ain't tripping on you, I want you to live it up. Want you to be a G nigga, please put that dick in me. Do it right in me. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day, baby. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my B-day. Do it like it's my big. Every time he come around, I ride it like a cowgirl. Like a cowgirl, I ride it like a what? Every time he come around, I ride it like a cowgirl. Like a cowgirl, I ride it like a. Do it like it's your B-day.
Yep.
Do it like it's your B-day, baby. Do it like it's your B-day.
Yep.
Do it like it's your B-day. Do it like it's your B-day, baby. welcome to Jocelyn's Cabaret.